Good morning, children. My name is Butlin Sharmi and my subject is coding and computational skills. I have a question that how many of you here like to use computer? How many of you like to use computer? I hope that everyone like to use computer. For what purpose you guys are using computer? What purpose for what purpose you are using the computer? We like to play games or watching movies or listening to music. Okay, apart from that we need to learn about more applications in computer. Okay, in the first unit we are going to learn about the application Libreoffice Writer. Okay, shall we start the class now? Our first unit is about school newsletter by using word processor and TuxPaint. Okay, first unit is about school newsletter using word processor or TuxPaint. Okay, first unit is school newsletter. So what is newsletter? Do you have any idea what is newsletter? Yeah, let me tell that. It is a short written report. It is a short written report that tells about the recent activities of our organization, and then it's sent to the members of that organization. Okay, it is a very short written report, but in the short written report we need to give every activities of our organization in short, and then it's sent to the members of our organization also. Now you got an idea about newsletter. Then what is school newsletter? I tell about newsletter. Then what is school newsletter? For example, our school is conducting sports. So you guys only need to prepare a sports newsletter. So you need to include in the sports newsletter. You need to give the importance of the sports. What are the events we are conducting in our sports? And you can also include a video or image clips related to the sports. Okay, this is school newsletter. First, the introduction part is welcome to the school newsletter with the word processor. In this unit, we will learn about the features of a word processor. Later, we will use them to create documents. What is the use of the word processor? What is the use of the word processor? It is used to create a document. The purpose of word processor is used to create the documents. Okay, first you need to learn how to format the text and change the style and size. You need to change the text style, size, etc. Okay, and next you need to add images, shapes and colors. At last you create a newsletter for the school sports week. Okay, then activities. Which of the images above do you like the most? List some of the features you like about the newsletter. Okay, do you like to read newspaper or magazine or newsletter? Which you like to read the most? Okay, I like to read newspaper. So you guys, what you like to read? Okay, next the features of the newsletter. Here you need to write about the features of the newsletter. What are the uses of newsletter? Like this. Okay, you only need to write these features. And then our first skill is creating and formatting a Word document. Your school is celebrating its annual sports week this month. You need to design a newsletter for this. Okay, you only guys need to prepare a newsletter for our annual sports week. It should have the following details. You should include the importance of the sports. Okay, and then the different events in the sports week and the pictures of the event. Okay, first what are the importance? Why sports is very important? It's like a exercise, na? It will help to build our body and keep us energy like this. What are the importance of sports? And then the different events in our sports. If you are what kind of sports events are we are conducting, like running race, throw ball, football, cricket, like this, etc. You need to explain about these sports week also, but in a short manner, okay? And then pictures of the events, and you need to include pictures or a videos. We will use LibreOffice Writer to create these documents. Okay, this is the application here. LibreOffice Writer is a application. This is LibreOffice Writer. This is LibreOffice Writer. We will use a LibreOffice Writer to create our sports newsletter. Okay, it is a software application. LibreOffice Writer is a software application. It is free and open source word processor. It is free, okay? You no need to pay money to buy a LibreOffice Writer. You can just go to the Google and then install it. Okay, you no need to pay for that. It is similar to MS Word. Microsoft Word is similar to LibreOffice Writer. The only difference is in Microsoft Word you need to pay the amount, and then only you can get the software. But in LibreOffice Writer you no need to pay money, and we all know about it is used to create a document. Okay, first, how do you open the LibreOffice? Once you touch the application, once you click the LibreOffice, it will look like this. Okay, it is look like this, and then you need to open like this. First, at the very first step is File, New, and then Write a document. Then first you need to click the File menu, and then click the New, and then click the Write a document. So only you can get the document to write to prepare our annual sports week report. Okay, and then here circle the images of events that can be a part of your school annual sports. Okay, here is a weightlifting, cricket match, and then running, football, boxing, like this many events are conducting here. So what our school is conducting, what are the events our school is conducting, you need to circle the images. Okay, okay, first shall we circle the cricket? Okay, and then running, boxing our school is not conducting, so football. Okay, these are the events our school is conducting. And then here write the names of the different parts of the newsletter in the empty boxes. Okay, this is our example of our newsletter type. Here here we guys need to write the different parts. Here we can give the name of the principal. Okay, here you need to give the name of the principal. And then here name of the vice president, PTA president, and then name of the, here you can give the name of the vice president, and then here name of the secretary. And then membership, and then here volunteer. Here you need to give the name of this persons. Okay, and then at last here write 4 sentences on the importance of the sports. Okay, here they give a 23 June 2020 lead school newsletter, and the subheading given that sports week, and then their motive is challenge, learn, achieve, and they gave the list of events. They conducted relay race, sack race, 100-meter race, tug of war, and then here you need to write a 4 sentence about the importance of the sports. Okay guys, today class is over. We can continue in next section. Thank you.